Have you ever noticed how narcissists have this funny thing? Well, it's not funny. They start copying you. They start talking like you do. They start dressing like you do. They even copy phrases and try to behave like you. Ever noticed that? I'm sure you have. I'm sure you have. And suddenly they start doing everything that you do. The interests are all the same. Funny that. There is a darker side to this, why they actually do this. Okay, interested? Watch this video. Okay, so as I was saying, it's going to feel really flattering. It's going to feel really lovely that somebody, is doing this. That's just it. That's what confuses us, really, if you think about it. They do this for many reasons. And one of them, I talked about the spiritual side of this. This was actually in a podcast that I did not so long ago with Sorcerer Paul. And we talked about this at length, actually. Why the mimicry happens, why they actually do this. There is obviously a very deeper spiritual side to this that we all basically talk about in this video. I'm going to link it here. But ultimately, the reason for this is just because it's a trap, okay? It is a trap that is happening here. And I talked about the trap so much on this channel, and this is exactly it, okay? Follow me. The trap, my friends, is that you basically never leave, that you never go, that you never actually realize what is going on. It's so that you keep giving your energy, actually more specifically your life force energy to this person. Okay, they don't want you to leave, they don't want you to go, not because they love you, not because they care or they want you. This is more about giving your energy, giving your life force energy, because they don't have that light, they don't have what it is that you do, okay? They're not able to create this themselves. So what they actually want is for you to give it, you to give your kindness, your compassion, your patience, your love. And it's funny because they never give that back to you, do they? They request it from you, but they can't give it back to you because their energy is about taking, it's about destroying. It's not about creating, it's not about giving. There's two different sides to this. I know we wanted this relationship to be something so much more than what it is. I know that you wanted them to create a future with you, but they're not interested in that. They don't want to do that because they can't, essentially. They can't, which is why they start to copy you at first, because they want you to think that you are just like them, or they are just like you, that there is nothing wrong. So that's why they continue to mimic you. That's why they gaslight you. No, that's why they love bomb you right at the beginning. Okay, and they mirror you. They mirror you. So there's a darker side to this. Okay, and this is what I was talking about. It's about taking your energy. It's about taking from you without the hopes that you will notice, that you will keep giving, that you will not stop. And ultimately what this does is it takes, it tires you out, and it makes you feel less than. That's basically what happens. And ultimately, once you're feeling this tiredness, there's also an anxiety to it. There's also a depression that you will feel because you feel, why isn't this person giving you that love back? Why isn't this person doing this back to you? And that's where you start to keep giving. Your mind gets muddled as to there's something wrong with you. Your deeper triggers, your wounds get activated. And that's the problem. You then start shrinking, and you see this is where they start taking your life force energy. You start shrinking, they start rising. Have you ever noticed this, my friends? If you have, put this in the comments, because I really, really do want to hear from you. Like, I want to hear if this is something that you have happened, because what I'm talking here is darker psychology, the darker side of actually what is happening. This is on a next level, and I'm talking more about this being a spiritual aspect. You know what I mean? This is more about them taking your life force energy by mimicry. Narcissists, also, you've got to consider narcissists don't know who they are. Okay, their identity is very muddled. Okay, and the reason for this is this. When they were children, and if we're going to go back into childhood, what you have to realize is when they were children, they were never able to develop a real sense of self. And this was because of their own family dynamics. You know, it could be their parents, their caregivers weren't able to provide them with the love that they required. So therefore they grew up maladaptively, meaning that they did it to serve their parents. They did it to serve their caregivers, to become a different type of person that their parents or their caregivers would accept. Now, the issue with this is this. When somebody like that does that, child is under a lot of strain, under a lot of stress, under a lot of depression, and also under a lot of strain and trauma. Now that's the issue, is the trauma. Okay, that's ultimately what we're talking about here. When the child is traumatized, they become polarized, and that's something that we talk about in psychology, is the polarization. Okay, the polarization means is that the child then is almost cracked open, spiritually speaking, psychologically speaking, and they are unable to understand themselves. And they are so sad, they become separated from themselves. That's what I mean about the cracking of them. Now, as I was referencing this to the interview with Paul in the podcast, he talks about entities or other attachments being able to kind of enter. But I'm going to talk about this psychologically. When that happens, you become separated from yourself. Your reality is not the same as everybody else's. It becomes different. It becomes altered. So you are unable to really understand yourself, which is why then what happens is your defense mechanisms are kind of like brought up here. And when you have huge defense mechanisms, your perception of your reality is very different to everybody else's. And your needs and your goals and what have you in your life become skewed, and they become different, which is why this happens, which is why they copy you, which is why this is all so dark. This is on another level. So when you see somebody, okay, or when you are around somebody who is copying you, is doing the same things as you, question that, my friends, because that isn't always necessarily correct, and it's not necessarily authentic. It's just something that you need to really think about and look at this. And this is the darker sides. This is the truth about why narcissists actually do this. This is why they do this. They don't know who they are, so they will copy from you. They will do this because you know what, it serves them. You then attach to them, you let your guard down, and there we go. And they never want you to go. And the reason why they keep you and they never want you to go is because they gaslight you, they manipulate you, they control you to stay. This is nothing more than that. And this is where you've got to understand. And also talking about this trauma bond, it continues, this control continues even after the end of the relationship. If you're in a trauma bond, please know that I've got a 30-day trauma bond reset. This is something that you can access and work through, understand today. All the stuff is in all the links are in the description box below. So that would be something that I would kind of urge you to kind of have a look at. But the trauma bond, the reason why you suffer this trauma bond with this person is literally because you remember them, how they were right at the beginning. That lovely person, that person that was mirroring you, love bombing you. That's what you're missing, and that isn't the truth. Okay, that isn't them. Okay, so
please understand that what you're dealing with here is something much darker than what you think. Guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.